Hello.
Hi.
Hi Guhapriya, welcome back. What have you done this time?
I've done a parrot, two parrots sitting in a bench.
Okay, that is very good. Last time you did a lion. It was a modern art, but this is not a modern art, isn't it? How was it different from that one?
This one was way harder than the last one. I was more interested in doing this one. And then I have to do a lot of layers on top of each other.
So many layers. Can you remember how many layers we did?
I think I did 3 layers.
Three layers on the parrot itself, yeah. And then few other layers also on the leaves. So overall, I think 5 to 6, maybe here and there. Yes, good. Do you like oil painting, even though it's very slow process?
I don't know if it actually is a really slow process, but I really enjoy doing it.
Very good. I'm just making a close-up of the parrots for people to see. Okay, it looks like a lot of work has been done. Can you explain what type of work that was?
I had to use a really small brush and do a lot of detailing. And at the end of the painting, I have to adjust a lot of things as I did a lot of mistakes at the start.
Okay, so you were also able to adjust mistakes and okay, that is very good. Okay, and this is again oil painting.
Yes.
Yes. What type of painting do you plan to do next?
I don't know what a painting it actually is, but it is a cat looking in a puddle of water and seeing itself as a tiger.
Fantastic. That's a very good imagination.
Yeah.
That it's going to take a longer time, I suppose.
Yeah,
it should be.
Is.
Is it going to be a bigger canvas?
Yeah, it is going to be a bigger canvas.
Okay. All the best with that.
Okay, thank you.